Hello and welcome to another video of Geekwise. In this video I'm going to demonstrate how I got rid of limescale and mold which has built up over time in the shower. As you can see clearly, this needs to be sorted out ASAP. And there's a very easy method to get rid of it and have your shower back to a normal and clean condition. The total time it takes is about 5 to 8 minutes, I would say. Obviously, depending on the size of the area you have to work on. Anyway, this is the spray I'm gonna use. It's a mold remover. I have experience with limescale remover, but it doesn't work as good as the mold remover, so I stick to this one. You can use any cheap mold remover, it doesn't have to be a certain brand. All you have to do is spray it onto the whole area wherever needed and watch how the limescale or mold vanishes within seconds. Make sure to read the safety instructions on the bottle, as this stuff is quite strong and it is recommended to wear a dust mask or cover your mouth and also your eyes with goggles. And yeah, anyway. Okay, in my case I left it on for about 5 minutes and then simply rinsed the whole area with water. And you see the results, it worked as it should. So not much time or effort to have a mold-free shower area again. And yeah, I hope the video has helped someone who was not familiar with this method. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, guys. Thanks for watching and bye bye.